So friends, let's see today's lovely snack of cabbage rolls. So first we're going to make the dough or the covering. So I've taken 1 cup of plain flour or maida in a bowl. I'm going to add salt to taste, say about 1 teaspoon. Mix the salt and the flour really well. Now I've heated a little bit of clarified butter or ghee. I'm just going to add about 4 or 5 teaspoons. We're going to mix this really well in such a way that if you hold the flour after mixing in the ghee, you're able to hold it like this. It forms a kind of it comes together. Now I'm just adding a little bit of water at a time. So totally I used about 7 to 8 tablespoons of water, and we're going to make a real nice firm dough. Now I'm just going to drizzle a few drops of this hot ghee, and again I'm going to knead this dough, say about 4 teaspoons, and we're going to knead the dough till it's really nice and soft and elastic. So this will be the outer covering, which has to be nice and crispy, and set it aside for about 10 to 15 minutes to rest. Now I've taken half a cabbage, I've soaked it in salt water for about 15 minutes, washed it well, and I've sliced it this way. We're not going to use the stem part, and set the leaves aside. So slice it really thin. Then I've taken 1 carrot, washed it well, peeled it, took off the ends, cut it into halves like this, and I normally discard the center white portion, and then we're going to very thinly slice these carrots using a nice sharp knife, and set the carrots aside. In the same way, I'm going to take 1 small capsicum, wash it well, and I'm going to now remove all the white part as well as the seeds, and we're going to slice it very thin. So now our veggies are prepped for the recipe. I'm also going to be chopping about 5 large cloves of garlic or lasoon really fine. So now I've heated about 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm going to fry the garlic or the lasoon really well till it turns a light golden brown in color. Now we're basically preparing the stuffing for this cabbage roll. So first I'm going to add the carrots as well as the capsicum. Fry them really well, and then we're going to add the cabbage. So this should be roughly 1 cup of shredded cabbage. Fry it really nicely on a medium to high flame. Now we're going to add some salt to taste. So roughly around say 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of black pepper powder. Mix everything really nicely together. The vegetables should be really fried well on a medium to high. Now I've just made a mixture of some soya sauce and some Szechuan sauce. I'm going to add that and fry again. We need a little bit of a dryish mixture, so fry till all of the sauce is absorbed. Now I'm going to just cook a very small packet of instant Maggi noodles. So this is about half a cup of Maggi noodles. You can use Maggi, Yippee, whatever choice. We just require half a cup. I'm going to transfer the cooked veggies into a bowl, as well as I'm going to add these instant noodles into the bowl. And we're going to mix everything. So this is basically our stuffing. Now from the dough, I'm going to take a small ball, roll it into a thin roti like this. Then we're going to place the filling, about 2 tablespoons of it at the side like this. And then we're going to pick up one side, roll it in, and then fold it in this way, turn it, and seal the edges really well. So press down on the edges, see that they're sealed well, and our lovely cabbage roll is ready. So in this way, I formed from this dough, I got about 7 cabbage rolls. Another method is you take one part and just tuck it under the vegetables and then fold it like this. This is a much more secure way. Both ways work, but this is a little more better that the veggies don't come out when frying. And now you can either shallow fry it or deep fry it or even bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes with a little olive oil drizzled on both sides. And our lovely cabbage rolls are all ready to eat. If you're deep frying them, then don't forget to drain the excess oil on a wire mesh, not on a kitchen napkin, because then it becomes soggy on a kitchen napkin. I like to always put it on a wire mesh, that way it becomes nice and crispy. And our delicious cabbage rolls are ready to eat. Have this with some tomato ketchup or some Szechuan chutney. I hope you try out this recipe, guys.
See more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon, Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you'll get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.